Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Darmanitan Zen Mode. Darmanitan's Zen Mode is a fascinating ability, transforming its form and stats when its health drops to 1/2 or less. This unique mechanic allows it to switch roles mid-battle, becoming a powerful special attacker or a more defensive presence. Understanding its activation and new capabilities is crucial for maximizing its potential in competitive play. We'll dive into the specifics of this powerful transformation. When Darmanitan enters Zen Mode, its stat distribution undergoes a dramatic shift. While its standard form excels with a high physical attack, Zen Mode often sees its special attack, defense, and special defense stats rise considerably. This transformation allows it to become a formidable special attacker or a surprisingly bulky presence, depending on the specific Darmanitan form. Its ability also changes, reflecting its new strategic role on the battlefield. To effectively utilize Zen Mode, strategic activation is key. You might use a move like Belly Drum to intentionally lower its HP, or rely on a Focus Sash to guarantee survival at 1 HP, triggering the transformation. Teammates providing entry hazards or screen support can create ideal conditions. Items like a choice scarf for its standard form or leftovers for its Zen Mode can further enhance its impact, making it a versatile threat. Countering Zen Mode, Darmanitan involves understanding its new vulnerabilities. Its transformed typing often introduces new weaknesses, which can be exploited with super effective attacks. Priority moves are excellent for hitting it before it can fully capitalize on its new stats, or to finish it off quickly. Applying status conditions such as paralysis or burn can also significantly hinder its effectiveness, reducing its speed or chipping away at its health, making it easier to defeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.